Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 453. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest $1 in Bitcoin every single day. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab. So we're on the Bitcoin section. We can see that Bitcoin is currently at $8,800 about. Let's go to the 1 week chart. And we actually had a recent rise lately, up 17% this week. So Bitcoin on the move again, up 42% over the last month. It's crazy how fast this thing goes up. You think like, oh, it's still cheap, it's around 5,000, I'll buy some soon. The next thing you know, it's at 9,000. And the next thing you know, you want to get some before it's over 10,000, and then it just keeps going. It's crazy. Let's go ahead and tap buy today's Bitcoin. Ooh, they've added a new feature. So you can see right under buy Bitcoin, you can tap this and you can set this to automatically purchase for you daily, weekly, or every 2 weeks. That's pretty dope right there. I'll have to make a tutorial video on that. Wonder if you can do that with stocks as well. So it doesn't look like they have that feature for stocks yet, but maybe soon. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and tap buy. Tap the three dots, type $7 because we're doing $1 per day and we buy on Fridays. Tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details, then I just tap confirm. And just like that, I've purchased some more Bitcoin. So I now have $554.11. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. I'm just going to do 554 divided by 453 days equals a 1.22x on our investment. So we've gained 22% on our investment, just dollar cost averaging for 453 days in a row. You guys have seen this number up like 1.75. You've seen it below 1. Now we're at 1.22, so doing pretty well. You can see how volatile Bitcoin is right now. It's just all over the place. But if we take a look at the all-time chart, it's still kind of leveling out from this major move right here. So you can see it's been slowly leveling out over the course of 1 or 2 years. But there you have it, Bitcoin going crazy over the last week. But we've also seen that in the stock market and other places. You know, the stock market, mine is personally up about 25% over the last month. And I've seen it in other collectibles markets and things like that too. With the whole COVID situation, a lot of people are getting their stimulus checks, government funding, things like that. And I think they're spending it in places like this. So it could be temporary that a lot of money is moving into these markets quickly, and we'll have to just wait and see. I'm just going to keep dollar cost averaging, buying $1 every day. See how this pans out over a long period of time. That'll do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the Cash App playlist for more videos. You can also sign up for Cash App using my link in the description. We both get $5 for free. Also use Robinhood a little bit if you sign up over there. We will both get a free stock, and that could be valued up to $500. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Oh,